Hi everyone. I hope you've enjoyed your first week of Leading Edge certification. Now that you've gotten to know each other a little bit, we're ready to jump in to the next module. I am so impressed with the wide range of experience and the level of expertise that all of you have. As we move through the modules in the next 7 weeks, I hope to learn more about your perspectives and background as you share your experience with the group. Before we jump into Module 2, I'd like to provide a quick overview of the calendar and how timing works in the course. From here on out, all assignments will be due either on Thursday or on Monday. Your initial discussion posts are due on Thursday, with your responses to others due by the following Monday evening. The content for the next week is released on Saturday morning, giving you the opportunity to get a jump on the week's readings and assignments if you choose. This week, you will be exploring the history of online and blended learning. Last week was focused on you as an online learner. This week, we start the transition to you as an online teacher. As always, you should begin by reading the textbook for the module so that you have the necessary vocabulary and background information to participate in the discussions, reflections, and projects. You will begin by reading a 2011 report published by the Insight Institute that discusses the various models of online and blended learning, and then looks more carefully at what that looks like in actual school settings. Your discussion prompt this week has you delving into the profiles, analyzing the success factors, and assessing how the profile might apply in your own school or district. Your reflection this week, Assignment 2.2, asks you to think about how your instructional methodologies might need to change in an online or blended environment. Refer to the textbook for a discussion of both the pedagogical and technological skills needed for success. This week, you will complete your first portfolio assignment, a Venn diagram comparing online and/or blended learning and/or face-to-face teaching or learning. You will create your diagram using an online tool or app. The curriculum links to a few different tools, including Creately and Google Drawings. You should try to play around with at least a couple of these tools in order to better understand their strengths and limitations. Creately has recently developed some issues with embedding, and not all tools seem to play nice with all browsers. Do feel free to use a tool that's not listed, including those for iPad or Android. You may submit a screenshot rather than an embedded object if necessary. To submit your portfolio assignment, you will use Haiku's wiki projects. Start by clicking on View Projects. The first time you do this, it will show you the directions again, and you will click Start My Wiki Site, and then you will click Begin. You must click the tab that says Edit Mode in order to add content. The Haiku help page does have a tutorial about how to embed Web 2.0 tools in your wiki project. One reminder, we do have a Google Hangout scheduled for Monday at 4:30 Eastern Time. I know that not everyone will be able to make that due to schedules and conflicts, so I'll record it and post it to YouTube. I will email the link shortly before the Hangout begins, and I'll also post it to the Haiku page. With that, enjoy your week. Let me know if you run into any difficulties, and I'll see you online.